Welcome to project. The name of project is button and keypad based digital lock system. So we reset system first. So this is a reset switch. If I press reset switch on LCD, we get presents button and keypad based digital door lock system presented by press A key to enter the password. I also use LED indication here. So there is a red LED, yellow LED and green LED. So LED, that is yellow LED glowing. It means that we have to perform certain action using keypad. So what LCD says, press A key to enter the password. On keypad, if I press A or if I press wrong key, so if I press wrong key, then you have pressed wrong key and red LED also will be in on condition and buzzer will also buzz. Let's see again. I press wrong key, red LED is in on condition and buzzer also in on condition. Okay, so if I press A key, then security level 1. In programming, I set two security level 1 and security level 2. So this yellow LED indicate that we have to insert the password. So I set default password for security level 1 is capital A, then 1 2 3 4 and 5. So checking password, security level 1 is successfully. Okay. Then again for security level 2 we have to enter the password. So security level 2 password is B9876 and 5. So if I press this, then LED indication will be green if my password is correct, and if my password is wrong, then red LED will be in on condition and buzzer also buzz. So if I press wrong password, like if I press 9 here, okay, so checking password, wrong password, and red LED will be in on condition and buzzer also buzz. So let's insert or let's correct the password. So if I press B, then 98765 and again checking password, green LED will be on condition, access granted and door is opening. Again same process is there. Thank you. Thanks a lot.